I'm about to buy the worst rated gaming PC on Amazon to see how bad it really is. Now, finding the worst rated PC on Amazon is pretty hard because Amazon usually take loads of posts down that only have 1-star reviews. So to realistically find the worst reviewed PC on Amazon, you have to look at the one that has the most 1-star reviews, which is this one here. It is the worst rated PC on the whole of Amazon, having a 1-star rating of 25%. However, I discovered something extremely suspicious about this, which I'll show you in a minute, but first, let's buy this thing. It says here fast gaming PC, so surely it's going to be fast. I'm not even going to look at the specs properly. I'm just going to add to basket, proceed to checkout. £320, not expecting a lot. It's probably a budget PC, but let's read some of the reviews and see how bad it really is. Leah's commented, doesn't work. Won't boot up. Christmas present wasted. Oh, that's so sad. 1 star, it does not turn on after 1 day of use. Oh God, what have I bought? 1 star, broken. Bought for grandson on Christmas, gave it to him on Christmas Day. He tried setting it up, but didn't work, and now he's saying he can't return it. So one unhappy grandchild. Oh, that's so horrible. This is a huge scam. 1 star, very disappointed. I bought this thinking it would be amazing. Got it and it didn't even turn on the day I got it. Absolutely disappointed, wouldn't recommend this. Oh, what have I bought? This one guy just said, didn't like it, not for me. And you know what? That's fair enough. So you're probably thinking, yeah, this is like what, a 1 to 2 star rated product on Amazon? It's a 3.6. And you know why? Because that review has clearly been tampered with. There are a bunch of 5-star reviews on here that are clearly on there just to bump up the review rating. So let's go through them. Amazing, very good quality. My son knows about these PCs and he said it's one of the best ones. That seems legit. Here's another one from David Moore. Computer, work and printing. I'm sure that definitely deserves a 5-star. There's one 5-star review here that says disappointed, not working since it was switched on. I bought this PC for daughter's Christmas, not worked once. Every time it's switched on, it crashes. Not impressed one bit, would not recommend. You see what I mean? This does not deserve a 3.6 star rating. That has clearly been tampered with. Anyways, enough about that. Let's wait for this PC to arrive to see what it's really like. So it's been a few days and we have had a delivery. I can't wait, honestly, to open this thing up and be extremely disappointed. So it says no PC specs on here. These are just the specs for the case. I better not have bought a £320 case. I will say this, right? This is bad packaging, but at least it isn't as bad as the Venoscorp PC. I don't know if you watched that video, but that PC, oh my word, that was honestly the worst packaged PC in the world. Let's get this bad boy open. Big reveal. Okay, so decent weight to it. Already, there's a few fingerprints on here. Oh, look at how dirty this is. There's genuinely scratches and dust over this entire thing. This better be peelable. It's not peelable. That's not the design. That's been scratched to shiver me timbers. So let's see what we actually get with this PC. Oh, on this PC, you actually get an SD port and a micro SD port. I've never seen one of them on a PC case. You can't see the inside of this. Hang on, I need to take this panel off because why can't you see the inside of it? I'm starting to regret my purchase and I can see why this is so badly rated already. Oh my word, the cable management. Is the CPU fan on crooked? Oh my God, it is. What the hell have they given me? So the spec of this thing says it has an Intel Core i5. It's got a 256 gigabyte SSD, 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's quite good. Then again, we don't know if it's DDR3 or DDR4. It's probably definitely DDR3, which is incredibly slow. The graphics card is a GT 710. So yeah, oh God. Ugh. Cable management is shocking, but you know, that can be forgiven for the price. Oh look, we got a warranty card. I'm gonna keep this. This is the quality of instructions that they've given us. There's an envelope here. What the hell's this? I think that says Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, there is a little, I'm guessing this is the Wi-Fi adapter. So on the back, we've got 6 USB ports. 2 of them are USB 3, Ethernet port, all your standard stuff. And on the graphics card, it actually supports HDMI, so that's a win. Okay, we've plugged this thing in. Let's turn it on. Okay, so, wait, it just turned off. What? What the? Oh, okay, it's back on. It's back on. False alarm. That's a bit worrying though. The fact that I turned it on and it just went off. I won't lie, the LEDs on this thing, they are pretty cool. However, that's really all this PC has. You know what, after seeing the inside, I can kind of see why they wanted to cover it all up. Oh, you can peel it off. Hang on. This might make all the difference. Okay, we're gonna restore some of the marks now that we can see through. But then again, I don't really want to see through it. Maybe I should have kept that on. I was gonna say, why would they make it that dirty? Okay, now that the glass panel, is, oh, it's turned on again. Oh. What the hell? It's back on, it's back on. Okay, this thing clearly has a mind of its own. You don't want to move it too much. Now that the glass panel is on, it does look a bit more like a PC. If they put a bit of time into the cable management, I would have been quite happy with this PC. But let's not focus on the looks. Let's focus on how it performs. Okay, so let's get a TV there. Let's plug this thing in. Anything coming on? Oh, no loading times or anything. It's just, it's on. Let's plug in a mouse and keyboard. I find it a bit weird how it went from nothing to straight turning on. Normally when you like go onto a PC for the first ever time, you have to put in all your Microsoft details and set it up, but not with this one apparently. So when the people who are making these PCs thought, okay, we need some essential software for this PC to start up with, we need Google Chrome, TeamViewer, and Skype. We are able to connect to the internet though. Whoa. Okay, that is definitely some virus software that's already installed on here. Let's run a little internet test and see how good this internet wireless adapter is. So the internet adapter that comes with this thing is really only capable of hitting like 100 megabytes a second. I should be getting like 900 megabytes a second. Let me just plug in an Ethernet cable and show you what I should be getting. Yeah, like that is the difference. Right, now let's test out the legitimacy of these specs, because I've looked at many PC bad reviews videos, and a lot of the time they don't have the same specs displayed as what's actually in here. Oh damn, okay, so there is actually an Intel Core i5 in here, 4th gen. It didn't say, did it say that on the website? No, it doesn't, it just says Intel Core i5. So just for clarification, you're getting an Intel Core i5 4th generation PC. Yeah, obviously you got 16 gigabytes of RAM. You do get Windows 10 with it, but then again, you should be really getting that with any PC.
But anyways, now it's time to test how this PC performs. So I spent the next 30 minutes downloading a bunch of games, and there was a few problems downloading stuff over Ethernet for some reason, but eventually after a bit of troubleshooting, I fixed it.
I'm really interested to see what the base frame rate for Minecraft is. Let's see what this is like. It's taking a while to load in. That's not a good sign. Oh, joining world, here we go. Oh, we're in. Base settings, we're moving about, oh God, I don't even know. I don't even want to have a look. Right, let's press the F3 key. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. The frame rate is 11 frames a second. Oh, 7, 12. Yeah, so we're getting around about 10 frames a second at the moment. But to be fair, we are on base settings. So let's turn everything down a little bit. Yeah, we don't want any good graphics at all. Turn all of this stuff off. Okay, now I've turned everything down. Whoa, 90 frames a second. Crazy. Okay, so yeah, Minecraft is kind of playable, but you will have to play it on like the lowest of the lowest graphics. There's probably some settings as well you could put on here to make the settings like even lower, make it run a bit more smoother. But basically, on low settings, it's hitting around about 100 frames a second. I will say as well, I am screen recording this right now and have a few things running in the background, so bear that in mind. I do think Minecraft is like a mid-intensity graphic game. Let's try something lower with Roblox. Oh my God, Natural Disaster Survival. I remember this. I haven't played this in ages. This used to be my childhood. Oh God, okay, wait, hang on. Okay, Roblox is running very well. Let's shift F5. Okay, on Roblox, we're running at like 50 to 60 frames, but yeah, do keep in mind, this is Roblox. I'm gonna play a game of Disaster while I wait for Fortnite to finish up installing. See if I can win this game. Oh yeah, this used to bring back so many memories. Oh, here we go, meteor shower. Watch the sky. Whoa! Okay, I forgot what happened in Disaster. I forgot there's like meteors and stuff. Guy, you gotta get off here, man. There's meteors. There's meteors. Oh shit! This is the face of someone who's incredibly concentrated at doing well on Roblox. This guy's living life on the edge right now. Whoa! Oh my God. Jeez. I wonder if my friend's gonna survive that. Whoa! We survived. So at the moment, this thing can handle Minecraft on low settings. It can handle Roblox just fine. But now we're gonna do the final test, Fortnite. And now Fortnite can be quite a graphic intensive game, depending on what settings you have. For me, Fortnite is just the benchmark game to run everything at because most people are playing it. And you can still kind of get the same experience whether you're running on low settings or ultra 4K RTX settings. Yeah, let's test this out. Oh God, already it's coming up with things saying, yeah, known issues with graphic driver. Okay, yeah, I think a lot of the problems that it's gonna be having is with the GPU. Let's play it anyway. Oh, please work well, please work well. Here we go, connecting. Okay, we're in. How bad is it? Oh, No. I can already tell it's gonna be terrible. Yeah. Oh, okay, hang on. No, this isn't too bad. Oh, no, I spoke too soon. Let's get the frame rate up on here. Yeah, so at the moment it's sitting at like 15 to 30 frames a second. It seems to be sitting around about 20. I guess it's playable. Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't spawn in then until about 4 seconds. Let's just lower a few more of the settings and see if it can run any better. Okay, now with the new graphics, we're running at a solid extra 3 frames a second. We're running at like 23 frames a second solid now. Oh, 28, 30 I saw. Whoa. Okay, we're getting around about 40 frames a second when I stare at the floor, but I'm staring at the floor. Damn, I'm getting about 50 when I stare at the sky. When I start running though, it goes down to 30. So yeah, just know that just don't run or mine or shoot. Apparently, that really takes the frame rate down. I think this thing can run Fortnite at around about 20 to 30, Minecraft at around about 100, all on low, and Roblox it can run just fine, but I think my nan's Nokia can run Roblox just fine, to be honest with you. Should you buy this PC? I would say no. There's a lot better things out there on the market. You can buy like a used Xbox One X or a PlayStation 5 for about the same cost. As well, there's probably like used PCs out there that you can buy that are way better than this. Don't support these companies. Stupid PC. Now, if you want to see a video where I reviewed the cheapest gaming setup in the world, like the entire thing literally costs £178, you can click this video right here. Why are you still here? Click the video. Click it. Click it now.